Alright, we are gearing up to go do some fishing. Hopefully we catch something. We have arrived at the pond. We're gonna get set up. I'm gonna get you guys set up, and then we're gonna start some fishing. There's ducks. I just found. I don't know that. They're cool ducks. Look, there's just a little turtle floating in the water. It's very, very cute.
Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
The only thing that I've seen today is turtles. Hopefully we can find some fish soon. We are fishing, fishing as we are. We are fishing, fishing as we are. I got something. Oh yeah, I need this. I'll get up. Oh! No, I definitely. Oh no. Something. Oh yeah, that's cool. Using one of the like shiny baits trap. I wanna catch a turtle now. Actually, I probably can't catch turtle. Do turtles even like? Oh, this one? Yeah, I could probably let's sit. At least. Don't we need like bait for this though?
Yeah, plastic worms in there.
Do we have plastic worms? Is it in this bag?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Plastic worms. Only $1. Okay. Oh, I would eat this, right?
Oh, that's a big turtle. Catch it.
Okay, now we're gonna let this one sit and see.
No, let me throw it.
No. Oh, there was. Alright. No, I had a worm on there. Had a worm. Oh. Yeah, this is not.
Let it in, let it in.
Alright, so I had to move spots. Well, I didn't have to, but I did because see if there's any more fish over here. Didn't end up getting anything over there, but set it back up.
Let it in, let it in.
Alright guys, so we're about to leave and we haven't caught anything yet. Trying one last time with the bobber. But it's not looking too. Alright, so we didn't catch anything. We were here for about an hour, but I still had lots of fun. Saw lots of very beautiful pond slash lake slash whatever you want to call this. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see another fishing video, make sure to comment. See ya.